Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Thursday and let's get right into the charts as we do have some very important things to cover. Firstly, Bitcoin is approaching, getting closer to my target right here. As you can see, this weekly S1 and also this order block that we have, we could see price basically deep down at least to tag this order block right here, and then we could see that reversal, or we could see a move all the way down towards the bottom of the order block to basically fill this fair value gap that we have right here, and then we could potentially see that range continuation towards basically to create the same pattern that we created last time when Bitcoin dropped sharply towards 80k. So this is basically what I'm talking about. We could be getting the same thing happening right here like we did get that last time. We are right now, in my opinion, potentially going to create the same kind of range until Bitcoin decides where it wants to go, basically until the market makers have enough liquidity to send price towards a direction. But other than that, right now we do have the stock market getting quite a bit of a nasty sell-off to the downside. You can see right here we did lose that Monday low, and actually I wanted to go back to Bitcoin and tell you, as you can see, we did reject from that Monday low, acting as resistance, and right now you can see we're heading down, and this sell-off from the stock market is fueling that move for Bitcoin as well. The S&P 500 is approaching its yearly open level. As you can see right here, the Nasdaq is already below it. The yearly open on the Nasdaq was actually acting as resistance. For the S&P 500, it's gonna be acting as support right here. So very interesting levels to see. 24,400 is going to be a key level. You can see we also have a fair value gap right here on this 12-hourly candle. So not that much. If we measure basically this whole move down, that's going to be like 3.5%, nothing much. But as you know, for the stock market is quite a lot. The dollar is still consolidating right here. Gold is also having a nasty sell-off right now. You can see right here, also rejecting from the Monday high and the weekly R1 right here. The weekly pivot and the monthly open are around 4,800. But we don't care about gold, so let's go look at it. You can see right here Ethereum is also approaching this weekly S1, which is where I am also expecting for a bounce. It's going to be very interesting if we don't create a range like we did right here, and basically price just rolls over to like 1,400, which is basically the tariff lows for Ethereum. You can see right here around 1,400, and it is also the monthly S3, so that's gonna be quite a big move, which I don't think we're gonna get, but of course the market could surprise us. Solana trading at 78 right now. Bitcoin is at 60, so we do have quite a bit of volatility while I'm making this video. But anyways, HYPE is rejecting from the Monday open, from the monthly open and the Monday low, as you can see right here. Still trading above the EMAs, basically right in between, and we're still above that daily open, but we still have the yearly open at around 25 as support. So it's gonna be very interesting to see. Right here, SUI is also looking very bad right now. XRP, same thing right here, rejecting from the weekly pivot, Monday low, trading below it, not much of volatility. We don't have that much liquidity in the altcoins right now, so nothing very interesting basically. But let's go back for Bitcoin. You can see right here we have quite a decent volume, currently below VWAP, and we are seeing a flush out of open interest, and CVD is also down. So we could see, as I said, a continuation for this move until we get right here for a potential bounce. And we also need to see the stock market find a bottom potentially right around here, so we can have Bitcoin also find a bottom. liquidity, you can see 65 all the way down to like 63. We have quite a bit of liquidity around this level right here, basically this box. So as I said, I am expecting a quick grab of that liquidity and then for us to start forming that range. Fear and Greed Index, basically nothing new right here. It is sitting at 8. Spot ETFs, we do have like a sale yesterday. So the first one for this week, it was yesterday on Wednesday. We don't have data for today, but still we are seeing the sell-off starting again. Long versus short ratio, you can see we have more sellers in the market as of right now. Nothing new. Funding rates remaining negative for Bitcoin on the major exchanges. And we did have our data for today. We had unemployments and we had US home sales. So potentially those news could have affected basically this every Thursday, the unemployment claims, but those home sales maybe are affecting the stock market and this also taking a effect on Bitcoin. But we do have CPI data tomorrow. It was delayed by 2 days because of the US government shutdown, but we're going to be getting that data tomorrow. So be very careful trading tomorrow. And I do think this covers it for today, guys. I hope you liked the video and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.